you guys, and welcome back to Hola Adventures in Spanish with Señora Lisa. Are you ready? ¿Están listos? ¿Están listos para viajar conmigo? Are you ready to travel with me? Grab those backpacks. Put them on your backs and let's go. It's time for us to travel to South America. I'm so excited. Estoy emocionada. You all get to go with me to South America, and then we're going to go to Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, Europe, and Africa. Come on, vámonos. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is go through the countries and capitals. By the time we finish this chant, I am sure that you all will be going through the countries and capitals like little whizzes at this information. Let's start. Caracas, Venezuela. Caracas, Venezuela. Caracas, Venezuela. You got the first one? Keep going. Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Bogotá, Colombia. Bogotá, Colombia. Again, here we go. Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Quito, Ecuador. Quito, Ecuador. Quito, Ecuador. Let's go again. Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Quito, Ecuador. Lima, Perú. Lima, Peru. Lima, Peru. Let's go again. Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Quito, Ecuador. Lima, Perú. La Paz, Bolivia. La Paz, Bolivia. La Paz, Bolivia. Let's go again. Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Quito, Ecuador. Lima, Perú. La Paz, Bolivia. Asunción, Paraguay. Asunción, Paraguay. Asunción, Paraguay. You want to start from the top? You lead me. What comes first? Oh, muy bien, chicos. Excelente. You're doing great. Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Quito, Ecuador. Lima, Perú. La Paz, Bolivia. Asunción, Paraguay. Santiago, Chile. Santiago, Chile. Santiago, Chile. From the top, Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Quito, Ecuador. Lima, Perú. La Paz, Bolivia. Asunción, Paraguay. Santiago, Chile. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Oh my goodness, we're almost done. Can you keep going? What country is next? Let's go again. Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Quito, Ecuador. Lima, Perú. La Paz, Bolivia. Asunción, Paraguay. Santiago, Chile. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Montevideo, Uruguay. Montevideo, Uruguay. Montevideo, Uruguay. That was the last one. Do you think you can go through all of them? All right, let's start traveling. Here we go. 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 Caracas, Venezuela. Bogotá, Colombia. Quito, Ecuador. Lima, Perú. La Paz, Bolivia. Asunción, Paraguay. Santiago, Chile. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Montevideo, Uruguay. Yay! We have just traveled all the way through America del Sur, South America. Do you see it? Oh, we've mastered all of these countries. Now, I will tell you all that Brazil is also a major part of South America, but the official language in Brazil is Portuguese. Let's move on to Mexico y América Central. Mexico and Central America. Here we go. México DF, México. México DF, México. Guatemala, Guatemala. Did I go too fast for you? Let's start again. México DF, México. Guatemala, Guatemala. Tegucigalpa, Honduras. Tegucigalpa, Honduras. Let's start from the top. México DF, México. Guatemala, Guatemala. Tegucigalpa, Honduras. San Salvador, El Salvador. San Salvador, El Salvador. Let's go again. México de F, Mexico. What comes next? Does anyone remember? What about you? Can you tell me? You're right. Guatemala, Guatemala. Tegucigalpa, Honduras. San Salvador, El Salvador. Managua, Nicaragua. Managua, Nicaragua. Okay, let's go through it again. México de F, Mexico. Guatemala, Guatemala. Tegucigalpa, Honduras. San Salvador, El Salvador. Managua, Nicaragua. San Jose, Costa Rica. San Jose, Costa Rica. Guess what? There is only one country left. Hay un país más. Did you get that? La palabra del día, país. Yes, one more country, país. Let's go. México de F, México. Guatemala, Guatemala. Tegucigalpa, Honduras. San Salvador, El Salvador. Managua, Nicaragua. San Jose, Costa Rica, Panamá, Panamá. Whoa, we made it through. We made it through Mexico y América Central. Okay, so there are only a few countries and capitals left to go. We're going to go through El Caribe, which is the Caribbean, and there we have La Habana, Cuba. Wow. You can just imagine the beautiful beaches that you see when you go to Cuba and all of the old cars that are there. It's such a beautiful place to visit. We also have Santo Domingo, La República Dominicana, another great Spanish-speaking country. And we definitely can't forget about San Juan, Puerto Rico, which is definitely, we must go ahead and tell you, is a Commonwealth of the United States. The official language in Puerto Rico is not only Spanish, but English as well. Although when you go there, if you speak Spanish, you'll be fine the entire time. Now let's mosey right on over to Europe, Europa. There in Europe, we have Spain. In Spain, it's another beautiful Spanish-speaking country with all kinds of activities and major cities that are there. We have España, Madrid. La capital, the capital of España or Spain is Madrid. The last country that I'm going to tell you about, which is the 21st out of the 21 Spanish-speaking countries, believe it or not, it's in Africa. Yeah. It's in Africa. Who would have known that there is a Spanish-speaking country in Africa? Well, guess what? It is. Guinea Equatorial is a Spanish-speaking country in Africa. There, boys and girls, we have gone through all 21 Spanish-speaking countries. And I don't know about you, but I'm un poco cansada, a little bit tired. I mean, all of that traveling that we just did through South America, and then we flew right on over to Central America, and oh, I made my way to Mexico, all the way through Europe, and now Africa, and I'm back in the United States. When Hola Adventures in Spanish with Senora Lisa returns, we are going to focus on Spain and some of the great things that you can do when you visit there. See you soon.